Hello, thanks for clicking on this video. So if you're here, that means you are probably getting ready to come to Okinawa, or you have just arrived and you are in the middle of house hunting. I wish you the best, okay? May the odds be ever in your favor. And you are possibly considering and moving into the Kinser Heights multiplex homes here. These homes were unoccupied or have been unoccupied for the past 5 years or so due to, I guess, renovations and things needing to be refurbished and things of that nature. And I do believe that they just opened back up for tenants this year. So we just moved in literally a couple weeks ago, like July 29th. And this is gonna be a tour of the 4-bedroom layout, and it is gonna be an empty house tour. So again, this is the Kinser Family Heights multiplex home, just kind of like a townhome, located on Camp Kinser. And last time I checked, there are still a lot of homes available. The fill rate or the capacity was something like 26%, which is crazy. I was just glad we got out of the towers. I'm from New York, so living in those towers was just too close to the projects. I know there's a lot of people who love the towers, you know, it's their thing, stuff like that. But for me personally, you know, I was just very happy to hear that we got into this house. If you guys have any other questions or want to know anything else, just drop it and I'll get back to you ASAP. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, here we go. So coming through the front entrance, you have your set of stairs leading to the second floor, but we will go ahead and start with the bottom level. So immediately to the right, the first opening is going to be what we use as the dining room. You can use it as anything, but the washer and dryer is located here, as well as the big glass sliding door to your front patio and front door area. Connected to that, you will see the kitchen with that cute little window. Brand new appliances were installed. So we have a brand new stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher. We are the first ones to use it, which is really nice. I have seen homes where people get really used and abused stoves that don't get replaced for a long time. So we were really fortunate to have brand new appliances, and the washer and dryer is brand new as well. But the room is a nice size. We have a table with 4 chairs and a bench, as well as a shelf, and it fit in there perfectly. Walking out of the kitchen, this is going to be the living room. It's huge, you guys. You have a really big window and then the back sliding door. And in the back of this section, you do have a concrete patio, as well as a grass area. And the park is actually located down the hill from there. So you can see the main road, the park, and everything. This is what we call the Harry Potter closet. It does that cool little incline you'll see. We use this primarily as a storage place, since there is no garage in these homes or any external storage. We just stored up Christmas, holiday decor, things of that nature in here that we brought over with us. And then once you leave out of there, to the left, you do have the guest bathroom. It's a half bath, pretty decent, nothing special. There was some grout when we moved in. You'll see that on the tiling floor, but that's just how it came. And then walking down the hall, you have this closet to the left. We use this as my husband's uniform closet storage area, and there's also an overhead compartment up above that we use to store excess uniform items. So this first room that we're in is actually the master bedroom, and it is much smaller than we expected. It seems like the downstairs level with the living room and the kitchen layout is much bigger, and that's where a lot of the space was allotted than the bedrooms. So you have this cute small bathroom in the master, but we had to actually sell our entire king size bedroom furniture set because all of the items could not fit in there together. So one of my favorite things about the upstairs when you come up is that there is this middle area here, and then everything seems like it's circled around this floor. So you have the bathroom here. We use this as the kids' bathroom, kind of like right in the middle of the upstairs hallway, and then the two rooms to the right of that, which you'll see here, are the kids' rooms, and then the two rooms to the left side of the bathroom we use as the master bedroom, of course, and then one of the other kids' rooms. There is also a really nice hallway storage closet that I don't believe I showed on camera, but it's a double door storage closet with shelves. And then to the left of that, you see that door right there, is another storage closet as well. You can put your laundry hamper, extra broom, mops, things of that. But we just really loved how the layout had all 4 bedrooms, 2 on each side of the home, with that kind of center area where everybody can just come out of their doors or come out of their rooms and see each other, at the same time. So it makes it feel really, really homey.